Hi. Okay, in the last video we created a directory configuration file for the Murphy family. That configuration file was then deployed. It's taken just about an hour, and we've just received an email saying the model deployment is completed to Google Drive. So and now it sort of says let's try the model. So let's click on the link and log into our PDM account. So this was the configuration file that we filled in yesterday, or an hour ago. Now we're going to look at the dashboard. Previously there wasn't a dashboard, and now there is. So let's have a look around this. One of the first things I want to do on a newly created directory structure is synchronize and update the dashboard. A couple of the areas I want to show you. These show who the model was created for and the type of model that was chosen. Family model, full directories, files and web links. On the cloud drive chosen was Google. And these are the family members that are covered by this model. So the primary user is Paddy. Then there's Mary, and then there's the kids, Jim and Sheila. This is their own individual directory structures, and this is the communal area. Notice that each of these graphical icons, firstly, they can be moved around. They can be deleted by pressing that button. They can be minimized or maximized. There's a group minimize, so now all of the icons are gone, and we can quickly get to a very compressed view of our data. So again, you could put, say, the cars and the houses up here. What you can do, what I sometimes do, is leave things maximized if I'm sort of thinking that I want to remember, say, to do something to the car, or do something to the house. So we can leave them there, and that's going to remind us that there's a job that we want to do. Okay, so let's try and click through. So when we click on, say, the car, it brings us to our Google Drive area, the car area of our Google Drive directory structure. So within car, there's car insurance, car maintenance, car record, for example. Within car records, you've got accessories. The NCT in Ireland is that this is for the car quality system, making sure that they're all roadworthy. Car registration cert, warranties, etc. So there's just about everything that you can think of records-wise. Let's view it within Google Drive. I just might be able to see a little bit better the way this is working. Each of these communal areas, each of these directories is represented by an icon on the dashboard, and then each individual user, for example, Paddy, each of these directories here, my creative, my devices, my job, is represented by an icon on the dashboard. And by pressing that icon, we will essentially jump straight to that particular. So say you want to get to Paddy's My Travel area, then it just jumps straight in like that. I tend to flick it over here. So within My Travel, you could get to My Trips, My Holidays. And let's go, say Paddy's doing some work trips. So work trips, and then within the year, you then have grouped accommodation and transportation records. And again, because they're work trips, you can have, we've provided a template expense report and travel itinerary document. This is just a quick example of the way this all works. I shall be delving into other areas of the directory structure in the next videos. Thank you.